Sri Lanka is my beloved country. It is a beautiful island nation located in the Indian Ocean, south of India. Although Sri Lanka is a small country, it is famous for its natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and warm-hearted people. It is often called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean because of its breathtaking landscapes and abundant resources. Sri Lanka has a long and glorious history that dates back more than 2,000 years. Ancient kings built magnificent cities such as Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa, which are admired for their remarkable architecture and advanced irrigation systems. The country is home to many historical monuments, ancient temples, and sacred sites. The Temple of the Tooth in Kandy is one of the most important religious places in Sri Lanka. Every year, thousands of local and foreign visitors come to witness the cultural and religious traditions of the country. Sri Lanka is blessed with diverse geographical features. The central part of the island is covered with mountains and lush green tea plantations. Nuwara Eliya, often called Little England, is famous for its cool climate and scenic beauty. The country also has beautiful rivers, waterfalls, forests, and golden beaches. Tourists from all over the world visit places such as Sigiriya, Ella, Yala National Park, and the southern coast to enjoy the natural wonders of Sri Lanka. Agriculture plays an important role in the Sri Lankan economy. Rice is the staple food of the people, and paddy cultivation is practiced throughout the country. Sri Lanka is internationally known for producing high-quality tea, rubber, and coconut. The tea industry in particular contributes significantly to the national economy. Fishing and tourism are also major industries that provide employment opportunities for many people. Sri Lanka is a multicultural and multi-religious country. Sri Lanka has a population of about 22 million people. People belonging to different ethnic groups, including Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, and Burghers, live together in harmony. Buddhism is the main religion, but Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity are also practiced. The people celebrate various religious and cultural festivals such as Vesak, Sinhala, and Tamil New Year, Christmas, and Eid. These celebrations reflect the unity and diversity of the nation. Education is highly valued in Sri Lanka. The country provides free education and healthcare, which have contributed to the development of society. Sri Lankan students have the opportunity to pursue their studies from primary school to university. The literacy rate in Sri Lanka is one of the highest in South Asia. Cricket is the most popular sport in the country. Sri Lanka gained international recognition when it won the Cricket World Cup in 1996. Apart from cricket, volleyball, athletics, and other sports are also enjoyed by many people. Although Sri Lanka has faced many challenges, including natural disasters and economic difficulties, its people remain resilient and hopeful. The citizens work hard to build a peaceful and prosperous nation. In conclusion, Sri Lanka is a country of great beauty, rich traditions, and cultural diversity. I am proud to be a Sri Lankan, and I deeply love my country. I hope that Sri Lanka will continue to progress and shine brightly in the future.